Damn, BT.
They be like, who that? Young nigga, yeah, he stay strapped. I can't fuck with that low hoe, cause she ain't that. You don't really love me, bitch, and you know that. Used to be broke, guess what? Bitch, I ain't gon' back.
What up, y'all? Back with another video. It's your boy Didi, you feel me? Feel me? About to make a little something. Tell him.
About to make a break.
You feel me? Make some beautiful shit they be making in jail or whatever. But yeah, you feel me? Tears being this bitch, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, about to get straight into it real quick. So, I'm gonna leave y'all out right now. Yeah, as we continue. Touching my chips up, y'all. Touching my chips up, you feel me? Touching my noodles up. Cause my shit bust open. Your shit bust open, damn. Already got my chips crunched up and shit. Hey, I spilled them in the room. Clean it up. Ah, damn that shit. So y'all, I'm gonna bring it to me real quick. You feel me? Because I'm gonna show y'all me cutting the cutting up. Alright, yep. We about to start cutting up the
They can't even see us.
Oh, my bad, y'all. My bad. Let me fix this. Alright, so we gonna have to stand back because they gonna have to see me cutting the thingies. But yeah, y'all, we doing this. Challenge. Whoever got the best brick.
Quit saying brick. It's break.
Yo,
This dude tripping, bruh.
Hey, yo, I don't know this car because I never seen it. I just seen it on YouTube. Move over.
Oh my mama, you don't need that big knife, bro.
Bro, I can't find no other knife over there.
Just go ahead and cut it. Over there. Just go ahead and cut it, sir. What? I already know I spilled the noodles, bro.
You got it?
You a kid.
No, I'm a kid. I'm looking at my own. That's yours.
Hell no, I don't want my... I mean, heck no.
What? What you trying to do with yours then?
Oh, there you go.
What?
Yeah, our counter clean. Don't worry about it. Man, on my mama, you better not have ordered it to the house.
I ain't ordered mine yet.
Do not order it to the house.
Not this house.
I was about to say don't order it to the house, nigga. Bitch. Damn, bro, they fucking up our video.
Man, Delicioso, man. See y'all. If I was y'all, man, I was better. Man. I was bad, my friend.
Feel me? We got our noodles. You feel me? Look at them. You feel me? They looking
Delicioso.
delicioso.
Alright. What we gotta do next, man? What we gotta do next?
We gotta boil some hot water.
Some hot water, man. Watch
You
out.
can either boil it on a stove or put it in the microwave.
I'd rather put it on the stove because it'll go quicker.
Alright, bud. Alright. Let me go show them real quick.
So y'all, you feel me? I'm gonna get back with y'all when we start this shit up. Alright, y'all, we got the water boiling right now. And they in the background, they loud, don't mind them. But yeah, feel me? We got this hitting.
Yeah, we gonna hit y'all back.
We're gonna hit y'all back right
pour
when
it in there.
So. Alright, so yeah, we back. You feel me? We about to pour this in here.
Get back.
You feel me? I'm scared. It look like it's hot.
Hurry up, Bryson, so I can start this.
Yeah, y'all, let me talk to y'all though, you feel me? I was gonna do a vlog for the whole December or whatever, but I got slacking. And yeah, I got in trouble or whatever. So I wasn't going nowhere, so I just gave up. But yeah, yo, let me tell y'all, I've been doing that at school, y'all. I got all B's and A's.
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, this nigga need to hurry up, y'all. Oh God, I got one. Bro, is you done yet?
Cuz I'm talking to you cuz it's hot.
Fold it, hurry up.
Think I'm trying. Ah!
How long I think this gotta sit?
For like 20 minutes.
Ah! Hold on, y'all. We got this. You feel me? Don't mind her. She just a bum. You feel me? So, let me cut this open, man. I'm scared, y'all.
Mission success.
Oh, my shit look Your shit look way better than mine. What you mean? Cause you use up. Let me get you. What type of Doritos you use, bruh?
Hold on. My shit look,
That shit look nasty. I'm gonna cut that part. Oh shit.
yours whack.
Look at mine, bruh. His look whack. Look at mine. Mine look better than his, bro. Cause I'm just that nigga in general. It actually is good. I told you, bro. It's smack. And you feel me? Y'all can't never say I ain't been in the pen. Nah, he helped me the whole way. But yeah, we about to get the cheese. You feel me?
You ain't gotta ask cheese.
I'm gonna add the cheese.
Is it good?
Hell yeah, it's good.
I told you, bro. It's smack.
But yeah, y'all gotta take it to the table, you feel me? Alright, y'all, you feel me? We here, we got them, you feel me? This is what mine look like. Purple bag. His look way better. I ain't even gonna cap it. Let me turn.
I'm not nigga.
Yeah, I can't. I hate that light.
It's smack.
He gonna put hot sauce, rock with cheese, you feel me? Bro, it's probably never gonna be smacked with cheese. I gotta heat it up. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna heat up the cheese. What? This is on the bitch was a banger.
Try this shit with a little bit of hot sauce.
Man, you feel me, man? Hold on, you feel me? Got the what you talking about? Man, y'all, man. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Anthony is too damn big for that.
Feel me?
Hey, give me some of that, cuz. You're supposed to put it on the top.
I wanna put it on top. Feel me? Have it smear, you feel me? Probably ain't that hot. I ain't want it that hot, you feel me?
It's on the top, you feel?
Man,
Put that shit
had to
down.
get out my top, man. Man, yo, this is so good. I see why they be saying it's the best thing to make in jail.
Straight break.
Feel me? I'm gonna turn it all the way. I'm eating it.
Banger. I got my Snapple.
Oh. It's over. Man, y'all, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk to y'all.
Banger.
What y'all been doing? I missed y'all. Oh my man. Haven't touched y'all on the drip. Man, y'all gotta start sending me a video of you, man. For real, man. Y'all gotta get some options, dog.
Cause this ain't no cheese, cuz. Cause this is a straight banger.
Man. So good.
Alright, y'all, that's it for the video.
But yeah, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry I ain't talking to y'all, but this is too good.
But you supposed to cut the video.
Man, no.
This shit got me.
Man, y'all, this is so good right now.
Cause somebody just said, who was it? Michael and Javon.
Michael, Javon.
Y'all ordered more food?
We made us.
Man, we
You
made
feel
it.
me?
It's a break right here.
It's a break right here, you feel me? But I got 3 targets, boy.
Yeah, I need one.
I got 2 of them.
Somebody robbed me because it was just
Man,
right
go
on
on.
the speaker. It's gone.
I not get neither.
It was too good. But yeah, I'm full. But yeah, y'all. This video over with.
BD, you a ham,
Cause I'm
man.
full.
Big hand.
It's
Alright,
a fucking.
y'all.
That's
I ain't never making that again.
what I did.
I'm gonna bounce out.
That's what I thought it was.